Your garage feels like an actual oven right now, doesn't it? Well, we are going to fix that today so you can finally work out there without melting. I am talking about everything from single hose units to heavy-duty coolers. And I found out that the spec sheets lie a lot. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which unit can turn your garage from a sweat box into a comfortable room. Plus, there is one specific unit that completely surprised me, and it is definitely not the most expensive one on the table. Number 6. Midea Duo Single Hose Portable Air Conditioner. Well, let me start with my initial impressions when I unboxed this thing. It looks sleek. You know, it has this modern black design that does not look like a massive eyesore sitting in the corner of your workspace. I hauled it out to the garage on a 90-degree day, plugged it in, and honestly, I was pretty excited about the dual hose and a single tube design they heavily advertise. They claim this setup makes it much more efficient at cooling compared to traditional models. But here's what matters when you actually start using it. The cooling power is just okay. I mean, it definitely blew cold air right out of the gate, and if you're standing directly in front of the vent, it feels absolutely fantastic. The remote control is intuitive, and the smart app features actually work surprisingly well. You can connect it to your Wi-Fi and turn it on from your phone before you even walk out to the garage. That is a pretty sweet convenience factor when you want the room pre-cooled. However, and this is a pretty big however, the coverage area is nowhere near what you need for a standard 2-car garage. I left it running for about 3 hours on max cool, and the temperature on the far side of the garage barely dropped. It essentially created a cold pocket right next to the machine, while the rest of the room stayed miserably hot. Number 5. Whynter Portable Air Conditioner. I had high hopes for this one because Whynter has a solid reputation in the cooling space. I pulled this heavy unit out of the box and immediately noticed the build quality. It feels substantial, you know, like a real appliance rather than a cheap piece of plastic. I set it up in the middle of a major heat wave just to see what it could handle. The dual hose system on this model is definitely a step up from single hose units. Let me explain why that matters. Having one hose to pull in outside air and another to exhaust the hot air means the machine does not create a negative pressure vacuum in your garage. During my testing, I noticed it cooled the immediate area much faster than the Midea. The air coming out of the vents was genuinely freezing, and the dehumidifier function kicked into overdrive, pulling gallons of moisture out of the humid summer air. But, and you knew a but was coming, the noise level is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, when the compressor kicks on, it sounds like a small jet engine is spooling up right next to you. If you're out in the garage trying to film a video, listen to music, or even just have a conversation, you are going to be shouting over this machine. I actually measured the decibel level, and it consistently ran way higher than what the manufacturer claims on the box. 4. DeLonghi Pinguino AP98 GentleJet. Okay, let me just say I was genuinely surprised by this one. DeLonghi usually makes fancy espresso machines, so I was a bit skeptical about their air conditioning tech. But after unboxing it and setting it up, I realized they brought some of that premium engineering over to this unit. The setup process was incredibly smooth, and the window kit actually fit perfectly without any extra modification on my part. The GentleJet feature is not just a marketing gimmick either. Most portable air conditioners blast a harsh, concentrated stream of cold air right into your face. Well, this unit somehow diffuses the air in a way that creates a really comfortable, even cooling effect around the room. I spent an entire afternoon doing woodwork in the garage with this running, and the temperature stayed wonderfully consistent. You do not get those weird hot and cold spots like you do with cheaper units. Another thing I absolutely love about the Pinguino is how incredibly quiet it is compared to the Whynter. I mean, it is actually shocking. You could have a normal conversation standing right next to it while the compressor is at full tilt. They did a fantastic job with the internal sound dampening. It is just a low, consistent hum that easily fades into the background while you're focusing on your projects. The energy efficiency on this model is also highly impressive. I monitored my power usage over the week I tested this, and it barely made a dent compared to the other heavy-duty units. SereneLife Small Air Conditioner Portable. Now, do not let the word small fool you. When I first looked at the box, I thought there was no way this compact little tower was going to handle my sweltering garage. But wow, this thing punches way above its weight class. I wheeled it into the shop on a sticky, humid afternoon, and it completely changed my perspective on what a compact unit can do. First off, the footprint is incredibly tiny. Floor space in a garage is premium real estate, you know. You have toolboxes, workbenches, and vehicles taking up every square inch. The SereneLife tucks perfectly into tight corners without being obtrusive. I was able to fit it right between my drill press and the wall. And because it is so lightweight, moving it around to aim the airflow exactly where I needed it was completely effortless. The cooling performance honestly blew my mind. For such a small compressor, it pushes out a massive volume of cold air. Within about 30 minutes of turning it on, the heavy, humid air in my garage was replaced with this crisp, refreshing breeze. It also has a built-in dehumidifier that is shockingly aggressive. I had to empty the water reservoir way more often than I expected because it was literally pulling buckets of moisture out of the air. I also really appreciate the straightforward, no-nonsense interface. There are no overly complicated smart apps or confusing menus. Number 2, LG Single Hose Portable Air Conditioner. LG is a massive name in the appliance world, so my expectations were sky high when I rolled this unit into my testing space. Let me tell you, it did not disappoint. From the moment you turn it on, you can feel the build quality and engineering that went into this machine. It is a powerhouse disguised in a really clean, minimalist shell. What really sets this LG unit apart is the sheer velocity of the airflow. I mean, I turned this thing on and the air reached all the way across my two-car garage. It has this oscillating fan feature that constantly sweeps the cold air back and forth across the room. Instead of just creating a cold zone in one corner, it actively mixes the air and brings the entire garage temperature down uniformly. I was actually getting goosebumps working out there in the middle of July. The dual inverter compressor technology they use is absolute magic. Traditional compressors just turn on and off, which creates massive temperature swings and pulls a ton of electricity. While this LG compressor ramps up and down smoothly based on the heat load, it maintains a perfectly steady temperature while using a fraction of the energy. My garage stayed at a beautiful 70 degrees all day long without the lights flickering or the breaker tripping even once. Maintenance on this unit is also incredibly simple. With garage machines, the filters get clogged with sawdust and dirt incredibly fast. Costway Portable Air Conditioners. I know you might be surprised to see this brand beat out the giants, but hear me out. After testing every single unit on this list, the Costway completely dominated the garage environment. When I brought this unit into the shop, I was immediately struck by how rugged and purpose-built it felt. It is like they designed it specifically for the harsh conditions of a workshop. The absolute best feature of the Costway is the raw, unadulterated cooling capacity. I cranked this machine up on the absolute hottest day of the year when my garage literally felt like a sauna. Within 45 minutes, the entire space was comfortable. Not just the area in front of the fan, the entire room. It moves an unbelievable amount of air, and the compressor does not struggle or stall even when it is pulling in 90-degree air from the outside. Let me explain the versatility of this machine because it goes way beyond just cooling. The multifunction design is flawless. It operates as an ultra-powerful air conditioner, a high-capacity dehumidifier, and a standalone fan. But the real kicker is the sleep mode and programmable timer. I would set it to kick on an hour before I planned to go work in the garage. By the time I walked out there with my coffee, the climate was absolutely perfect. You know, it just makes your workflow so much better. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.